And let me tell you this, mga kapatid, this is not the time to lose hope. Hindi pwede mawalan ka ng pag-asa ngayon. You have come this far. Ang layo na natakbo mo na. For you to give up now. Isn't fair. Ang layo na yung nabot mo, kapatid. And the Bible tells us in the book of Hebrews chapter 10, verse 35 says this. So do not throw away the confidence, because it holds a great reward. In other translations, it says, it holds a highest, a best reward when you do not throw your confidence. It will be richly rewarded. Ibig sabihin, kung mananatili kang nananalig, marami sa tao may pananalig. Ang taong nawala ng pag-asa, it's already finished. Wala na tayong pinag-uusapan because wala ka ng pananampalataya. You lose that hope, you lose that faith, you lose that confidence, you throw away the confidence. We've got nothing to talk about because you are no longer there. Yan ang problema ng maraming tao. Kaya kung mawawalan na ng pag-asa, you have to tell yourself, Lord, I know it is taking so long, but I still have put my hope in you. I will still believe in you. And I know that the best days are about to come to my life. You have to start believing that everything that you want in your life will come to you. Believe that one day you will be in a place, you always wanted to be. You have to believe that one day you will be the person you always wanted to become. It's about dreams. It's about that goal, that burning desire in you. There's something in you that nobody but you can discover it. People don't know everything about you. But it's only you who knows what dream has God put in your heart. And if it's not gonna be you, who? Kung hindi ikaw ang gagawa ng iyong pangarap, sino ang gagawa niyan para sa iyo? Nobody. Kaya ako, mga kapatid, whenever I feel sad, because being sad is part of life. Life is not perfect. Not everything that you see with your naked eyes are the reality. There's something more beyond what our eyes could see. But every time I feel sad, I feel down, you know what? When I read, Brother Ben, the words of the Lord that says, "Be still and know that I am God." Alam mo, pinapasok palagi, Brother Ben, for I know the plans I have for you. Plans to give you hope. Plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. When I am sad, Sister Cecil, what I read is the words of David when he said, "Though I walk through the valley of the shadows of death, I am not scared because God is with me." In this life, you cannot be sure of everything. But when you have that mantra, that kind of paradigm in life, na hindi ako iiwanan ng Diyos, saan man ako pumunta, hindi ako pababayaan ng Panginoon. When you have that kind of principle in life, hindi ka mabibigo. Makakaasa ka sa Diyos na hindi ka niya bibitawan. And you always remember that if God is for you, who can stand against you?